Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money without Venmo. So this is going to come particularly useful in case you need to pay customers or customers need to pay you, or maybe you're paying something on a third-party marketplace. This is going to be a short and sweet video, so make sure to follow it step by step and stay until the end. Now, in order to actually send money without Venmo, we're actually going to use something called Cash App. So Cash App is a payment solutions application, and if you use my link down below to actually sign up, you will get $5 if you sign up using my link down below. So you're going to go ahead and actually install Cash App and sign up for an account. And then from here, this is what your Cash App login is going to look like. So Cash App is used worldwide. And so with that, you're going to click on the dollar sign in the middle. And this is where you actually can pay people using Cash App. So you can enter the dollar amount. So let's say you need to send money, let's say $10 to someone. You just go ahead and click on $10 and then click on pay, and then go ahead and actually have that other person that you need to pay create a Cash App account as well. So if you actually have them both use my Cash App link down below, we'll all get $5 whenever that person signs up. So in the event, let's say Jack is your friend, we'll go ahead and click on Jack and then click on pay. And then that is actually how to send money without a Venmo account. So Cash App, in my opinion, is a very, very good way to actually send money. But let me know if you guys have any better ways to actually send money without Venmo. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one.